In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PivotBY in Excel to summarize data with a formula. Start by opening Excel for the web and opening the workbook you want to summarize. Once the workbook is visible, look at the data layout. In this workflow, the region field is in column A, the category field is in column B, and the sales values are in column C. We're going to place the formula a few columns to the right so the result has room to spill into nearby cells. Click cell E1. You can also use another empty cell a few columns to the right of the data, but for this walkthrough, keep E1 selected. This selected cell is the starting point for the PIVOTBY output, and Excel will expand the completed summary table down and across from this location. With E1 selected, begin the formula. Type equals PIVOTBY, followed by an opening parenthesis. As you type, Excel shows the formula tooltip with the required arguments: row fields, column fields, values, and function. The first argument is row fields, which controls what appears down the side of the summary table. For row fields, click the column A header letter. This selects the entire region column. After column A is selected in the formula, type a comma. That comma tells Excel you are finished choosing the row field and are ready to move to the next argument. Now add the column field. The column field controls what appears across the top of the summary. Click the column B header letter to select the entire category column. Once column B has been added to the formula, type another comma. Excel now moves to the values argument, where you choose the numbers that will be summarized. For values, click the column C header letter. This selects the entire sales column. After column C appears in the formula, type another comma. At this point, the formula has the fields it needs, region for the rows, category for the columns, and sales for the values. The last part tells Excel what calculation to perform on those sales numbers. Type sum. Excel displays sum in the function autocomplete list as you enter it. This tells PIVOTBY to add together the sales values for each matching region and category. Now type a closing parenthesis to complete the formula. Press Enter. The dynamic summary table spills out starting from E1. The rows show each region, including East, North, South, and West. The columns show each category, including laptops, phones, and tablets. Each cell at an intersection shows the total sales for that region and that category. Excel also adds a grand total row and a grand total column automatically. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now confirm that the formula updates automatically when the source data changes. Click any sales value in column C. For this walkthrough, click cell C2. Type 9999, then press Enter. Watch the PivotBY summary starting in column E recalculate instantly. The total for the matching region and category combination updates based on the new sales value you entered. To return the workbook to its previous state, press Ctrl+C. That undoes the temporary change in cell C2, and the summary recalculates again to match the original sales data. Cells starting at E1 now contain a dynamic formula-based summary table. Regions appear down the side, categories appear across the top, and the sales totals appear at each intersection. The grand total row and grand total column are included automatically. The entire table is created by one formula entered in cell E1, and it updates whenever the data in columns A through C changes.